Hi friends, this video shows how to find all free horror games in the PlayStation Store. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to Games. Select Games tab from top left corner. Select PlayStation Store. Now we are inside PlayStation Store. Go to top, go to right side, select Browse tab. Then go down. Now on left side we can find Sort and Filter option. Select it, go to price, select free, go back, go to category, then here go down, select horror, then go back. Now we are seeing all free horror games in the PlayStation Store. From this list we can select one game. Let me select one horror game, then select download. That way we can download and install this free game in PS5. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.